Welcome to this FX Empire review of ActivTrades, a broker which was founded in 2001 and was actually recognised by the Sunday Times Fast Track 100 as the 90th fastest growing company in the UK for 2017. As we can see here on the homepage of the broker, lots of different information available to us, such as the different markets available to trade, spread betting, forex, indices, commodities, shares and ETFs. As we scroll down, it gives us a little bit more information about the spreads for individual markets such as forex and indices. So you can see here right now on forex, spread 0.5 pips with a target spread of 0.5 pips as well. Pound dollar just gone up to 1.2 pips. We'll look at the different spread information as well as different commissions with trading with ActivTrades. Most markets are commission free with this broker, apart from shares, CFDs, but we'll look at spreads and commissions a little bit later on, and we'll have a look at it on their trading platform as we go through a live demonstration of the proprietary ActivTrades web trader platform. As we scroll down, it gives us a little bit more information about 24-hour award-winning support, so we'll check out the support services later on and see how that develops, as well as client protection as well, so segregated accounts, additional security there, so additional insurance for traders, negative balance protection. So here, different choice of platforms. We have the ActivTrader proprietary trading platform, which we'll look at a bit later on, as well as the MetaTrader platform as well. The globally recognized MT4, MT5 platforms are available to trade. And there are some exclusive add-ons available for traders with ActivTrades, such as different trading tools that can help assist traders. And we'll have a look at the Education Center as we go through this review. So ActivTrades is regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, and this is confirmed by looking at the FCA register. And we can see ActivTrades here is regulated. ActivTrades.com, and we can actually scroll down and you can see more about their information here. The broker offers a simple account offering process. As we can see it on the top tabs, if we scroll over account, we have a few different options. So we have access to a free demo account, an individual account and a professional account. Essentially, this is in line with the European ESMA regulation. If we click on individual account, this gives traders the ability to trade with spreads from 0.5 pips on the three different trading platforms, ActivTrader, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. And we can actually see some of the benefits of having an individual account, multiple currencies, Euro, US dollar, British pound or Swiss franc, 24 hours a day, 5 days a week support, negative balance protection, client protection, and direct execution as a non-dealing desk, as well as different ways to fund and withdraw from trading accounts such as bank transfers, credit debit cards, Nutella, Skrill, and PayPal for some clients. So that is the individual account. For professional traders, they also have a professional account where essentially traders can access higher leverage, so they will not be protected by ESMA's leverage caps for CFDs and spread betting. So there's some certain protections that professional traders will keep and certain protections that they will waive. To be eligible for a professional account, the individual must meet at least two of the following three criteria. So those are the two different types of accounts on offer, as well as actually the demo account. In regards to the different asset classes available to trade with ActivTrades, if we hover over markets, we can see we have forex, indices and financials, commodities, shares, cryptocurrencies, options, spread betting. So if we look at the forex tab here, and if we click on spreads, this can actually give us a bit of information in terms of the target and average spread for individual currency pairs. So for example, CAD Swiss target spread is 1.7 pips, but it has an average spread of 1.96 pips. So lots of information there across the different currencies that are available to trade with ActivTrades. So a lot of exotic currencies here as well, Russian ruble, Chinese yuan, and so on, and some metals, gold and silver. Traders can also go to other markets such as indices, and if we click on spreads here, we can already see here trading indices with this particular broker does not charge any commission. And we can see the target spreads here on the different asset classes like the German 30, the DAX, or the UK 100, the FTSE. So pretty low target spreads there as well. as well as average spreads information, normal spread information, and obviously spreads in the evening. So traders can easily access information regarding all these different asset classes. So very transparent, very clear for a lot of traders. If we look at news as well, so the broker does offer an economic calendar where users can have a look at all the different upcoming announcements. But other than that, limited research tools. There is some market analysis here. So the Reserve Bank of Australia meeting minutes, which is up to date as well, 18th of September, 16th of September. So if we click on this, it gives us a bit of an update in terms of market analysis as we scroll down. There's also an education section here as well. So if we click on seminars, for example, currently no seminars scheduled. If we click on one-to-one trading, so traders can actually get some one-to-one trading with ActivTrades. So just choose a date and time, check email for confirmation, start the session. And with the sessions, users can go through how to use the platform, how to use the ActivTrades smart tools exclusively for the MetaTrader program, and have a look at their personal area. So it's like one-to-one training. There's some other tools here as well, such as educational videos on how to use MetaTrader 4 on different desktop and Android platforms, and how to use different indicators that are available to trade with exclusively with ActivTrades. To contact the broker, there is a 24 live chat function here at the top. So we click on 24 live chat, a box will pop up and offers a variety of different languages. For now, we'll just select English. So once we put our name in, we're just now waiting to connect to an operator. And once we've connected to an operator, then we'll ask a question and see how responsive it is. So let's just ask, what is the maximum leverage on an individual account? So able to connect to an operator very quickly as advertised. Let's have a look at how quick the response is. And after that, we will go to the ActivTrades proprietary trading platform and have a look at the functionalities of that. So we've had a response there in about 15 seconds. So pretty quick response time for the live chat function, which is obviously very useful when trading with a broker. And you can have a copy of the transcript emailed to you, and of course give your response here, which measures their success as well, which is also good to know how the company operates. So let's have a look at the ActivTrades proprietary trading platform, as well as the mobile trading app offered by the broker. So here we have the ActivTrader platform, which is the ActivTrades proprietary trading platform. Users can also use MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. But as we can see here with this trading platform, currently we have the euro-dollar chart open. We can access different timeframes at the top, so we can see the 1 minute chart here. We also have the 5 minute charts, and then the 15-minute chart, the 30-minute chart, hourly chart, 4-hour chart, and so on, daily, weekly, and monthly. We can also access different features like the crosshair function, which gives us access to open, high, low, close, and volume information for the different markets we are on, and also a wide variety of different indicators. So some of the most popular indicators: moving averages, CCI index, MACD, relative strength index, stochastic, Bollinger Band. There's also some other indicators such as Ichimoku clouds, other oscillators, volume indicators, volatility indicators as well. So not an extensive list, but all the most popular ones there available to trade with. Also, we've got some drawing tools here as well. So different symbols, different shapes, Fibonacci, retracements, fans, time zones, extensions. We have trend channel drawings as well. So all the different trend channel options. So trend channel, Andrews Pickfork. And we also have, just general drawing, text and images. We also have the ability to, have a look at, to change the functionality of the different charts that we're seeing, as well as different chart types. So bars, colored bars, candles, Heikin-Ashi, Renko, line break, equivolume, mountain, pointer figure. So quite a wide variety of different options available. So quite a few different options available there for traders. Traders can also access tools just by right-clicking on the chart, and you can either access new orders, You can put a multi-chart window in, so look at 2, 3, 4 charts at the same time, change your chart type, time frame, drawing tools, so all your different trend lines and horizontal lines and so on, and indicators. To look at the different markets, we can simply click the search button here and we can have a look at different markets by typing in GBP, for example. Then you've got the different currencies that pop up. If you're looking for indices, for example, you can type in the German 30, and there's obviously quite a few indices here, as well as the different stocks available from that particular country. So wide variety of different stocks and shares, CFDs, are available to trade with ActivTrades. So as we can see here, we're currently in the euro-dollar chart. To change charts, we can simply right-click on the ticket here on the left-hand side. We can click Open Chart. We can add symbols to this watch list here as well, so you can customize your own watch list. And you're going to have different viewpoints here as well, so you can see these tickets differently by these two functions here. We can also edit these lists by removing things on this list, and adding instruments here as well, from foreign exchange markets, from indices, metals, commodities, financials, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. So if we were to add on a commodity market like cocoa, for example, just press confirm, and cocoa there is at the top, press done, and there it's there. So here we're currently on the 1 hour chart of euro against US dollar. We can see we have the trading ticket here, so if we simply click buy, it'll ask us if we want to place a market order, so we can place a market order on this, and you can see here now the trade is live in the positions window at the bottom. To put a stop loss and take profit in, as we can see here, there's no stop loss and take profit yet in place, it's blank. So we can actually just go to the order, and we can actually just click on the buy button, and you can see here SLTP, so we can scroll down to put in a stop loss. Let's say there, for example, you can see trade has been modified, the stop loss is in place. We can also drag up from the entry price and put a take profit in. That's been put into the market, and there's our take profit. So really nice clean functionality and trading from the chart. If we want to close a trade, we can simply click on the 3 dots here, and we can either, there's a few different options here. We can do a partial close, or we can close position, or we can buy this market again. So right now we'll just close the position. Okay. If we want to get to the short side, we can select our volume here. We've just gone in for 1. We can click sell and then place that order, and we're into the short side. So again, no stop loss and take profit in here yet, but pretty simple to add one in. We can just simply click on the sell here on our trade, and then we can drag up the line, put a stop loss in place. That's there in market, as we can see in the window beneath. We can also click on the line, drag it down, and put a target level in place at the bottom. So now we have a stop loss and target level in place. If we want to close a trade, we can simply click on these 3 dots and click on close position. So quite clean to trade with, quite useful trading platform. Spread's pretty tight here as well, as you can see here on the euro dollar. And as you scroll through the different markets, you can see the spreads there: dollar yen 0.5, pound dollar 1.1, 1.2, and German 30 0.71, 1.16. So variable spreads from this place. There's also some more functionality available with this trading platform. So we can, on the left hand side, look at all the account information, deposits and withdrawals. You go to your personal area, settings. We can also have an online chat as well. Any questions, the support functions seems pretty fast and useful if you have any questions. So that is the ActivTrader platform. Very clean, very simple to use, and lots of different functionality there. Let's now have a look at the mobile trading app offered by ActivTrades. So here we have the ActivTrader mobile trading app. On the left hand side, we can select the menu, which gives us a lot of different information, such as account information, deposit, withdrawal, settings, options, about us, and the facility to call the broker and access live chat functionality. As we can see here, this gives us a list of different markets available to trade, different trading tickets. We can see the spreads there on euro dollar 0.5, German 30, 1.19 right now, pound against USD 1.1, 1.2, 0.8 now. So variable spreads. We can have some options here, so we can edit this list here by adding in different instruments. So we've got Forex, cash indices, we have metals, commodities, financials, shares, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and options. If we wanted to select a market, we can select indices, for example, and we can either select all the different indices or just select individual indices to add to the trading window. And now we've got a basket of different indexes available to trade on. As we can see here on the bottom, we have charts. So right now, just on the euro dollar, 1 hour. Not as functional as the ActivTrader web trading platform, but does give us access to chart information, which is obviously quite useful. There's also trading information here, orders, history, and account information on the next tab. So to place a trade, we can simply go to the market and we can scroll down. If we go to euro dollar, for example, we can simply click on buy. This will open up a trading ticket. We can either select market orders on the top there or pending orders. In this instance, we can just enter the market, buy at this particular price, and that will be going through the market. That has been successfully bought. And if we click on this ticket now, we can actually see what's happening with our trade. The running profit and loss are at the top, mine is 0.0325 now. To modify this, we can actually put a stop loss and take profit in, because we haven't got one in there yet. So we can go to take profit. At the bottom here, it's quite useful. You can scroll to your take profit price and you can see how many pips away it is and the actual profit, the monetary profit it would be. So you can select one based on the amount, pips or profit. Let's just select this one here. And we can set modify, but we can also select a stop loss. We have a trailing stop loss function here. So you can trail stop loss every certain amount of pips. And we can add that in and click modify. That will modify the position. To close the position, we need to simply click on the order and press close. To place another trade, we can go back to the market window. We can select the market we want to trade. Let's go for euro dollar again. And this time, let's go to the short side. We can click on sell. That's pre-populated the sell ticket there. And in this time, we can actually add in a take profit before we even actually place a potential trading opportunity. So let's put a take profit in at this level here. And then let's put a stop loss in at, let's just scroll down a bit more. And let's put a stop loss on here. So we have a take profit, we have a stop loss, and then we can place that order. So now we went live in the market and we should have a stop loss and take profit in place already, and we can see that on the actual trading ticket. If we go back to the charts, euro dollar, we can actually see that the order there is on the chart as well. So that is quite useful. So to close a trade, we can simply click on trades, click on euro dollar, and select close. So that is the ActivTrader mobile trading app, and that wraps up this FX Empire review of ActivTrades. We hope you found this to be of value and wish you all the best in your trading.